Happy kids learning.
Hi, Sammy. How are you?
I'm good, Professor Owie, and welcome to the beach.
Thank you. Let's do some quizzes on sea animals.
Sure, let's get started.
Which animal is a dolphin?
The answer is this one, a dolphin. Dolphins are friendly and smart creatures that love to jump and play in the water.
Which animal is known for its hard shell?
The answer is turtle with a hard shell. Turtles carry their homes on their backs, protecting them with tough, hard shells.
Which sea animal has 8 legs?
Octopus has 8 legs, so it is this one. An octopus has 8 squiggly arms that it uses to explore the sea and hold on to things.
Which animal is a crab?
That's correct. This photo shows a crab. Crabs have pinchy claws and walk sideways along the sandy sea bottom.
Which animal looks like a snake?
This one is the answer, eel. Eels are long and wiggly sea creatures that swim by slithering through the water.
Which sea creature is shiny and slippery?
Fish is correct. It shows a sardine. Sardines are small, shiny fish that often swim together in big groups called schools.
Which sea animal can hide inside its shell?
Right answer, it is a hermit crab. Hermit crabs find empty shells to live in, which they can tuck into when they feel shy. Now my turn to ask questions. Which sea animal is known for having sharp teeth?
The answer is this one, a shark. Sharks are powerful swimmers with rows of sharp teeth that help them eat their food.
Which animal is a starfish?
That is right, a starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and can slowly crawl along the sea floor using tiny tube feet.
Which animal is the largest mammal in the ocean?
Whale is the largest, so this one. Whales are huge and gentle giants that can sing beautiful songs and breathe air. Great job on those easy questions, Sammy. I'm really impressed with your knowledge. Now let's make things a bit more challenging with some medium-level questions.
Sure, I'm ready when you are.
Which animal is a clownfish?
That's correct. This photo shows a clownfish. Clownfish live safely among the stinging tentacles of sea anemones, which protect them from predators.
Which sea creature can sting?
This one is the answer: jellyfish. Jellyfish float gracefully in the ocean, using their long, trailing tentacles to sting and capture food.
Which animal looks like a plant?
Right answer, it is a coral. Coral, which often resembles a colorful plant but is actually made up of tiny living animals called polyps.
Which playful sea animal claps and barks?
It is seal! I'm also a harp seal! We are friendly and noisy and can clap flippers and bark loudly.
Which animal puffs up like a balloon to scare away predators?
Pufferfish is the correct answer. Pufferfish can fill up with water or air and puff up really big, so it looks too large and spiky for other creatures to eat it.
Which bird swims underwater like a fish?
The correct answer is penguin. Penguins use their flippers to swim fast and catch fish, just like flying underwater.
What tiny sea creature is famous for cleaning other fish?
That is right, shrimp. Shrimp help keep the ocean clean by picking off parasites from bigger fish. My turn again. What fish has a long, pointy nose like a sword?
The answer is this one, a swordfish. Swordfish use their long, sharp noses to help catch their food in the ocean.
Which animal floats on its back and uses rocks to open shells?
Right answer, it is sea otter. Sea otters are clever and use rocks as tools to open shells while they float on the water.
Which big animal uses its long tusks to dig in the ice?
The answer is walrus with long tusks. Walruses use their large tusks to help pull themselves up on the ice and dig for food. Fantastic job with the medium questions. Now let's dive a bit deeper and test our skills with some hard questions.
I'm ready to challenge myself. Let's go!
Which shark is a whale shark?
Whale shark is this one. Whale sharks are the giants of the fish world, growing up to 40 feet or more.
Which animal has blue blood?
Lobster is the correct answer. Lobsters have blue blood due to a copper-based molecule, which helps them survive in deep, cold waters.
Which fish keeps warmer than its environment?
The answer is this one, tuna. Tuna have a special circulatory system that keeps their body warmer than the surrounding water.
What animal can live for centuries?
The right answer is clam. Ocean quahog clams can live over 400 years due to their slow metabolism.
Which animal moves using hundreds of tiny tube feet?
Right answer, sea urchin. Sea urchins navigate across the ocean floor using hundreds of small, suction cup-like tube feet, allowing them to move and cling to surfaces.
Which animal can move each of its eyes independently?
The answer is this one, seahorse. Seahorses have the remarkable ability to move each eye on its own, allowing them to look forward and backward at the same time to spot predators and prey.
Which marine mammal digests food over several days?
It is manatee, this one. Manatees have a slow digestion process, taking up to 2 weeks to digest their plant-based diet. Let me think of some hard questions. What giant animal feeds on tiny marine life?
Manta ray is the correct answer. Despite their large size, manta rays feed on small organisms like plankton.
Which animal communicates using unique pod-specific dialects?
The right answer is orca. Orcas, or killer whales, have complex communication sounds that vary widely between different family groups or pods.
Which shark uses camouflage to ambush prey from the ocean floor?
That is right, wabagong. Wabagongs blend into the seafloor with their mottled, carpet-like appearance, lying in wait to catch unsuspecting fish.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun content like this.